Hi, today we're going to look at the latest keyword inclusion in Qlang, and it's for sloppy programming like in C++, where you can write auto instead of declaring the type that you return if it's obvious from the right hand side what type is going to be declared for that variable. So starting with Quantlab version 2036 in 2019, you can use the auto keyword. So let's look at an example. Here we declare a global variable, hello, which is of type vector of number, which we don't declare. And we have a function that returns a complex type series of date of vector of number. And we do a random vector, and we loop to get to one of these series over the last 10 days, and we do the vector multiplication using our vectors of numbers. And again, we use the auto keyword not to declare the return type of s, and then we do the square root of s, or all the elements of s, and then we return s, which is of the type series date vector number. And the result of this when attached to a table will be something like this. It will have our dates, and for each date it will have the multiplied vector of hello and goodbye and times the day of the vector. And as you can see, it's a random vector, as we generated a random vector. Goodbye. And this was today's lesson. Again, auto should perhaps be used with caution, as it would be bad practice not to declare your variables in due order, but might be used for some quick and dirty programming. Thank you very much.